All right, guys, welcome back to Boxy's Outdoor Adventures. For those of you that are new, this is going to be step 2 of our winemaking process. So make sure you go and take a look at the first step. And also take a minute to go down there and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that every way when I upload more winemaking videos that you'll be prompted. All right, let's see what all this is going to entail. Step 2 is a pretty simple process. All right, step 2. So as you see, we got the primary fermenter bucket. I have it set up on the counter, and what we're going to do is we're going to siphon everything but what is down here on the sediment. We don't want to get the sediment in there, but we're going to put it into this 6-gallon carboy. Now, this has been sanitized. We will use this J tube right here with the siphon hose. So let's get this opened up. So we'll take this airlock. It's going to go in our part that goes on top of the carboy there. And so now let's try and open this up. It's a little hard doing this one-handed. So when you take that lid off, this is what you're going to see. Now, remember, we're following the apple. So I'm going to get my siphon all ready to go. I probably won't be able to show you, but I will take this J tube. It's going to go down in here. I won't touch the bottom. I'll keep it about that high. And then I'll start the siphon. I'll get it into the carboy. And I'll show you once I get that started. All right, guys. As you see, I'm down here. And I've got the siphon started. And as you see, it's going down into the carboy. And I did want to let you know that directions say to leave it sit 5 to 7 days. And if you're going to use a hydrometer, this would be the time that you would take the specific gravity of it. And it kind of gives you a chart of where it should be. Over the years of me making this wine, what I do is I've let it go 8 days. So we started this last Saturday. This is Sunday, April 7th. So it has been brewing. The yeast has been active for the past 8 days. So we're going to siphon this down. I'm not going to sit here and have you guys watch this 6-gallon siphon into a carboy. We get to the end there, and I'll show you what we do with the airlock. And so now it's just the matter of waiting for this stuff to rack over into our carboy. Okay, guys, I'm going to try and show you. I'm down to the bottom. I'm going to try to show you. You want to try to leave some of the sediment, and you'll see it stirring up there. I'm going to just come up here a little bit, get the rest of this little bit of juice. Once that starts to go in, and I'm going to leave that all there. All right, so our carboy, as you can see, is filled. So we got to put the airlock on the top. All right, guys, so I have it over where I'm going to let it sit. So just matter of just putting the stopper in there. And now we're to let this sit for 10 days. And then we'll do step 3. So what I normally do is I let it just go 2 weeks. So I'll see you in 2 weeks. We'll get on to step 3. All right, guys, thanks for coming in, watching this video. Please give me a comment. You can ask me any questions. If it has to do with directions or whatever, I can answer those. If you're new here, please, once again, like, subscribe, leave me a comment. And for everyone, if you do like this series, please give it a share. All right, we'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Thank you.